Hey everyone, welcome back to MotoVision. Today, we have something truly exciting for all off-road enthusiasts, the 2025 Toyota 4Runner. The legendary SUV is back with a fresh new design, upgraded features, and more capability than ever before. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know: its bold new front look, powerful engine, high-tech interior, and of course, the price. Let's dive in. The 2025 Toyota 4Runner has undergone a bold transformation while staying true to its rugged DNA. The new boxy and aggressive front fascia is complemented by a larger hexagonal grille, flanked by sharp LED headlights with integrated DRLs. Toyota has also added a redesigned skid plate for better protection and off-road durability. This new look screams adventure. Step inside, and you'll notice a massive upgrade in technology and comfort. The front seats are more supportive, wrapped in durable leather or premium fabric, with heating and ventilation options. The steering wheel is wrapped in leather, featuring mounted controls for easy access to drive modes and tech functions. The biggest change is the 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Toyota's latest multimedia software, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a digital driver's display with off-road information. The 2025 Toyota 4Runner is more spacious than ever, offering generous legroom and headroom for rear passengers. The seats now come with reclining and heated options, making long rides more comfortable. Toyota has also improved cabin insulation to reduce road noise, and there are multiple USB-C charging ports to keep devices powered up. Under the hood, the 2025 4Runner ditches the old V6 and now comes with a turbocharged 2.4-liter I-Force engine, delivering up to 275 HP and 317 lb-ft of torque. Toyota also offers an I-Force Max hybrid variant, bumping the power over 325 HP with even better fuel efficiency. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and available 4WD with a locking rear differential, the new 4Runner is ready for any terrain. At the rear, the 2025 4Runner retains its iconic boxy stance with modern touches. The new LED taillights are sharper and more aggressive, while the power rear window remains, a signature feature that fans love. The redesigned rear bumper adds to the rugged look, and Toyota offers a full-size spare tire for serious adventurers. Toyota has designed the 2025 4Runner to be tougher and more capable. The TRD Pro trim now gets 33-inch all-terrain tires, Fox shocks, and an updated multi-terrain select system for better performance on mud, sand, and snow. The ground clearance has been slightly increased, making it even more capable off-road. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Toyota 4Runner is expected to start at around $42,000 for the base model, with higher trims like the TRD Pro reaching up to $58,000. The hybrid I-Force Max variant will likely cost a bit more but offers better power and efficiency. Compared to competitors like the Jeep Wrangler and Ford Bronco, the 4Runner remains a strong choice for reliability and off-road toughness. And that's everything you need to know about the 2025 Toyota 4Runner. What do you think about the new design and features? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting car reviews. Thanks for watching MotoVision, and we'll see you in the next one.